incident list. Okay, so incident list. So how to query the incident list, we will understand now. So here, right, this is actually a filter. Using this filter, so in the incident table, there are 114 fields are there, right? You can query with any field name. You can query with any field name. So here, category empty records I want to query. So what here click on filter. So here you can see 114 fields names will be there here. You can query with all the fields. So category is none. None means empty. So how many records are with none? So all these categories are with a none. So we are able to query it, right? Same query, you can click on all to remove the query. So now the query is removed. We are able to see all the records, right? So same query, you can keep it from here as well. Natural query builder. So what is category? Category is empty. Category is category empty. So here we have written the query. We did not select something like this here. Here we selected, we have directly written the query. Okay, we have directly written the query. That is why it is called natural query builder. See, natural language builder. So whatever the communication language that we are using, you are using the same communication language here to query the records. So this is actually second thing. Here also you can see category, right? Category empty. Hit enter. So let me just remove the filter. All are empty records it is showing. Which is fine. So here category greater than not greater than. Category is greater than or equal to symbol it is saying. You should not take greater than or equal to, right? So it is taking some none here, greater than or equal to. But remember one thing, from here, here, these three places you can query the records. So here some special characters are there. So not sorry, 1, 2, 3. From here also you can search the records. 4 ways. Okay. So okay. So here I want to query the records. The color empty. So you have to use equal to null. Null means empty records. All the colors with empty records. So here, from here, I am able to search it, right? So when I am searching it from here, the query has built automatically. So what query it has built? Caller.name is null. Okay. So here, you can also query it from here as well. So let us say I want to query the incident numbers which contains 11 number. Okay. So incident number contains 11 number. So that I want to query. So here what I can do, here you can see, you can select the incident number here. So here you have to use contains keyword. Contains 11. See, this number has 11 keyword. So every record has 11, right? So here when I build a query here the search keyword automatically populated star 11. Star means contains 11. Star means contains 11. Okay. So there is no filter right now. So if you just give star contains 11, so it will query the records. Okay. So here, so you can search with any field out of 114 fields. You can search with any field. So let us say short description contains test. There is here short description, right? So contains means star test keyword. See, these are the records. I have queried with short description, right? Okay, contains is different, starting with. So if this is starting with the test keyword or not. So these are starting with test keyword or not. The short description is starting with test keyword. So if you are actually searching for the short description records which starts with test keyword, you can directly use test here. So here you can see the query starts with test. So here these all short description records are started with the test keyword. Okay. Contains is different, starts with is different. So ends with the test. Ends with the test. So the record, the short description, that means ends with means percentile, guys. Percentile test. So if any record is starting with the end, so it is starting with end, ending with the test. Starting with test, ending with test. So these records you are able to query it here. See here, if you see ends with test. So if you have to look for exact match, you have to use equal to test. So only exact match records will be found. See, exactly test it as matched or not. So here remember one thing: if there is no keyword if there is no special symbol that you are using means that is actually starts with. If you are using percentiles means and ends with. If you are using star means yes. Starts means contains, equal to means exact match. Okay. So not contains test records you want to find. So not equal to test. Not. So the short description which doesn't contain, which is not equal to test, those short descriptions will be shown. So not equal to test. Yeah. So this is not exact match, right? So it is working fine. Query is working fine. Okay. Doesn't contain. So then not star. You have any test keyword here? So that is how you will actually search the table records.